What am I doing to you? Huh?
You have like a safety guard on there? Anything?
Nope. Just being very careful.
Put this on YouTube. So all your customers can see what it looks. Do you advertise at all?
Huh?
Do you advertise at all?
No. I thought about it, but I'm like, no. Careful, sweetheart. I don't know.
Do you have one?
I think you're doing alright. You're just scared around the head.
I just step on this and
I'll be right with you. Stand here with her just for a second while I run and go grab it.